Hello guys, so my name is Hitesh Kumar. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the roadmap plan I follow to improve my English communication skill that helped me to improve my English communication, and I think this work for you as well. 90% of the time we overthink a lot. We overthink is यार फोन ले लूं क्या थोड़ी देर, यार ये कर लूं क्या, यार नहा लूं क्या, या वो कर just think in Hindi English now. So what you have to do, first thing what I did is force my brain, whatever you are doing, whatever you are thinking in your brain, whatever you are speaking when you are alone, just do it. Just speak everything and think everything in English. One step what you did is all of the time you have to force your brain. It's very difficult at first, but you get comfortable. And if you know nothing, if you know कि यार मुझे यार इसका vocabulary नहीं आता, मुझे sentence नहीं आता, think in Hindi ना. Do just फिलर की तरह यूज करो हिंदी को, बट ऑलवेज फोर्स योर ब्रेन टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. ठीक है. एंड वेन एवर आई एम अलोन आई ऑलवेज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश कि यार मुझे वो करना था, मुझे वहां जाना था, मेरे को फ्रेंड से बात करनी थी, मेरे को फोन यूज करना है, या मुझे यार मेरे को फ्रेंड से इंपॉर्टेंट बात करनी है, कुछ करनी है, तो जस्ट थिंक इन इंग्लिश ना. ओ आई हैव टू गो देयर, आई हैव टू टॉक टू माय फ्रेंड एंड आई हैव टू डिस्कस दिस, आई हैव टू डू दिस, एवरीथिंग. जस्ट व्हाटएवर यू आर स्पीकिंग इन योर brain in Hindi, just start speaking in English, just start thinking, just force your brain to think in English. Okay, the second thing, first think in English, and other thing I do is use ChatGPT. Don't write anything, because now what I have to learn is I have to learn English speaking. So just always use mic. So just tap the mic and just give it the prompt this to ChatGPT. Okay, now I'm learning English speaking. Just talk to me like a friend, or take any my interview, and just whatever I'm speaking wrong, just correct me and rephrase everything whatever I'm saying, whatever I'm speaking. So and just help me to learn English speaking in just 1 month. So if you just give this prompt to ChatGPT, this help you a lot. This give you a lot of way. For example, if the ChatGPT will ask, okay, tell me about your day, tell me about yourself, what are you doing, tell me about your past life, what do you want to do in future. So they ask you different question, and it's very difficult for you to answer everything in when you start using this. So but when you start giving answers, you learn a lot of things by using ChatGPT. And you have to, if you're preparing for any interview, just use ChatGPT. I think 1 hour a day I use every day for 1 hour. So other thing I did was I use one application. This also helped me a lot. So I don't want to promote this application, they are not paying me anything, but personally I use this application. That's why I'm suggesting it to you. It's completely your choice to use it or not, but it's called My CV AI app. So use this application for 30 minutes a day, and it's enough. Don't buy any paid subscription. So there is a feature in this application called talk to co-learners, connect with co-learners. So in this application you connect with co-learners. So most of the time they connect you with Indian people, and whatever, they don't know your face, they don't know anything about you. So what you have to do is कि just boost your confidence. So if you talk to any friend, you very concerned about it कि यार अगर मैं गलत बोलूंगा, या if I speak something wrong, they judge me. But if the other person don't know anything about you, they don't know about your face, they don't know any identity about you, so who cares if they judge you or not. So just use this application for free for daily 30 minutes. It helped me a lot to boost my confidence to speak, because at first when I started using this application, I feel very underconfident. The person I'm talking about, he's a Akash from Amritsar, I guess. And when he's called me, hey Hitesh, how are you? And I feel very underconfident. I'm like, bro, I just cut the call in like 2-3 minutes. But right now every day I'm using this application. I just mentioned the link of this application in my description, so you can download it from my description. And you, if you want, if you want to download from directly Play Store, then do it. Because they are not paying me anything, so it's completely your choice. But every day I just write some words, new words. Every day I write some new sentences, I new fillers. So we have to practice it. If you're thinking like someone give you a magical pill, if you're watching this video, if you're thinking like, bro, this person will give me a magical pill, or any person will give you a magical pill, that you just thinking, bro, I just eat this pill and okay, now I'm able to speak in English. No, it takes time. At least it takes 2-3 months for you to speak in English. So it takes time. So just give yourself a time to become comfortable in English. है ना? So the ChatGPT will help you, and use this MyCVI application, and just believe in yourself and just stick to the plan for at least 3 to 4 months. Okay, if you're just thinking like in 15 days I learn English communication, or in just 1 month magically I learn English communication, bro, this thing doesn't work for you. It takes time to learn a new language. This is what helped me to learn English communication, that I'm telling you, and I hope this work for you as well. Okay, all the best.